In this video, let's see how to create this word by word text animation in DaVinci Resolve. Okay, so let's grab a text plus. Let's just write here, hey, how are you? I will change the font to enter black italic. Okay, so I will right click here, click on the follower. Now I will go in the fusion. Let's click on layout and change the type to text box. Okay, so now let's go in the modifier. Now let's go in the transform and change the transform to words. And now let's go in the size on frame number 10. Let's make a keyframe on both X and Y. Now let's go on frame number 0 and make the value of X and Y to 0. Now we have got somewhat this kind of animation. Let's just go in timing and set the delay to 1.5 something. Now let's just add some magic to it. Let's go on spline, check on the template, zoom to fit, Control A, right click and go in the ease, out cubic. Place and hold shift, grab this little bit upward. I want the text to bounce. This is the final animation what we have got. This is how you create word by word text animation in DaVinci Resolve. My name is Amir and I will see you in the next video.
I'll just keep dropping it.